Okay, Eldon, here's the car, 8 3/4 rear end. It's Fury 3, 4-door, and disc brakes, 383. It's got the bulge hood, but the hood is bad. And you can cut those out, I guess, put them on something else, graft them into something else. But disc brake 383, towing package 727. You know, it's got the dash in it. The C body switches and the B body switches were the same, and the door's busted. But I take that back. It doesn't have the dash. I'm sorry, no dash. But anyway.